USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the notification, do all of that. That's for you, okay? And then below the video, you'll find some links that says join free Telegram. So go and join some, go and join not some, but my Telegram. If you want some free signals, then check out the brokers. Go and sign up with these brokers. And if you want to pay my fees, which you will not really put your hands in your pocket and take out a credit card to pay my fees because you want everything for free, I'm not getting it to you, okay? I only make these videos on Sunday because I don't have any motivation to do this on daily basis, okay? People are so like, thankless. People are thankless and selfish or whatever you want to call them. They don't want to pay a single penny. It's fine. I don't need your penny, okay? But I will not make these videos on daily basis. So you are on your own and you just go and keep searching on YouTube. This is today's analysis from this person, from that person. You could just carry on doing it, okay? Anyways, it's your loss, not mine. So if you want to pay my fees, just go and pay because I don't have any motivation to record, daily videos. If I will see some people trying to support this channel, then I'll think about it, okay? Otherwise, you're on your own and I'm just doing these pre-Sunday videos because I want myself to be busy. So that's why I make videos when I'm not trading, okay? So do all of that and check out the links and coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have a rejection. Okay. So this week might be the pullback week. So this week we might go down and coming back to daily, we have already gone down, okay? So in USD CAD, okay, clearly, I think we will touch the EMI. So 37.71 is the EMI. I think we are going to go down until 37.80 pretty easily. So that will be the weak rejection and then we'll continue going up because new highs created, okay? So new highs created, pullback, we should go up. But I'm expecting the price to touch this 37.71 as you can see in the EMI. So it should come down in daily. Coming back to 4 hour, we have crossed below the EMI. Again, look for shorts after the pullback. That's it, okay? So we had this uptrend, then a huge red candle. So wait for the pullback, then red confirmation candle, and then you go down, okay? Because we still have chance for 37.70. That will be somewhere around until right here where my cursor is right now, okay? So we still have the chance to come down here. So to look for shorts after the pullback, not right now. Pullback, red candle, then you go down. Got it? USD CAD, that's it. That's all I have for you. If you don't like what you see, then you can dislike. If you like what you see, then like. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.